What if I told you this YouTube channel grew to nearly 50,000 subscribers, pulled in over 1.4 million views, and all they're doing is creating simple business documentary videos without filming a single scene? Videos like the economics of owning a gym, a shopping mall, a ranch, all of them consistently pulling hundreds of thousands of views. And here's the crazy part. They're using a workflow that almost anyone can copy. In this video, I'm going to recreate that exact workflow using completely free AI tools. From finding viral documentary ideas, to writing the script, to creating consistent characters, to generating every single image, to adding realistic voiceovers, and finally editing everything into a professional YouTube video. And the best part? You do not need expensive software, you do not need editing experience, and you do not need to spend a single dollar. So let's build our first AI documentary. So the entire process begins with this master prompt, which I have taken my time to prepare for us. This prompt is going to help us generate the story, the images, the characters, and everything that we want. And of course, if you check down here, I also have a master character consistency prompt for consistency. As you can see, this one is specifically for the characters. I'm going to leave all of these prompts in the description or in the pinned comment for you to copy. So I will go ahead and copy the entire prompt. I will copy up to this point here. You can use any text AI tool of your choice. You can use ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, or any of your favorites. But for this particular tutorial, I am using ChatGPT. So I will go ahead and paste my prompt right here, and I will hit send. As you can see, ChatGPT has given us up to 10 concepts. 10 concepts! And it is asking us which concept we should develop. So you have to go through them and find the one that you think is really nice, the one that is perfect for what you want to create. If you do not like any of them, you can simply type more concepts or more ideas, and it will give us additional concepts, which is really amazing. As you can see here, we have the secret behind Walmart's low prices and how Booking.com profits from hotels it does not own. I think I will go with this concept right here, the real business behind Coca-Cola. So I will copy that, and I will send it to ChatGPT to develop for us. At this stage, it is asking us for the length, the duration of how you want it. You can reply with any length that you want. I think I will go with the minimum here, which is the 8 minutes option. So now we have our script here. This is the narration. It begins from, imagine you decide to build the next Coca-Cola. That is it right here. The script is now finished, so what you have to do next is to create our character. But if you do not want to use a specific character for yourself, you can actually skip this part. Since I want my character to be featured in the video, I will come to the prompt section and open this one, the Master Character Consistency Prompt Engine. I will copy the entire prompt from this side to this side. I will come back to ChatGPT, and I have to open a new chat. Open a new chat here. I will paste the character prompt that I just copied, and I will hit send. Now it wants me to upload my reference image, so I will upload it here. Just so you know, I had earlier created these characters. I think I would prefer to use this one. So I will upload that, and then I will hit send. So now I will go ahead and look for the one that I think I like. I think I will go with this one here. And then I will open Flow. I will open Google Flow and create a new project. Mind you, we are doing all of this for free because Flow is also free. So I will paste the prompt that I just copied here, and I will hit send. It is going to generate up to 4 characters for us. Our character is done generating right here, as you can see, so you can go through them and find the one that you want. I think I will go with the first one here. I will upscale it. Once that is done, I will return to ChatGPT and start a new chat once again. Now I will return to our character prompt document here. You will see there is another prompt beneath it. So I will go ahead and copy that entire prompt to the end, return to the new ChatGPT chat, paste it here, and I will hit send. So now it is going to ask us to upload the new image once again. So I will go ahead and upload the one that we just downloaded, which is this one here. Then I will hit send. So now the character profile is locked in, and ChatGPT is going to use our character image to create image prompts for all the scenes that we are going to create. So now ChatGPT is asking us for our video script right here. Please send your first script sentence. So I will come back to the first chat here, starting from this side. Make sure that you send them one sentence at a time, not all of them at once, so that you get a very detailed image prompt. So I will go ahead and paste the first sentence, and it is going to generate our image prompt right here, as you can see. I will come back and I will copy another sentence here. Do this so that you have a very long and well-detailed video. I will come back once again. Just so you know, we are not going to animate this, so you have to make sure that you do this properly so that you have a very well-detailed video. If you really want to make money from YouTube, then you have to take this part very seriously. So I am going to do all of this behind the scenes. So you are treating each sentence that ends with a full stop as a scene. You simply have to continue doing this until you are done with all of your script. As you can see, I am done with everything right here. So once I am done with it, I simply have to come to Flow, Google Flow, right here. I will start a new project. Once it is done loading, let us go back to ChatGPT, and I will get my first image prompt here. Paste it here. You select the quantity that you want. I think I will go with 2. This is the aspect ratio that you want, and I will hit send. In a few minutes, Flow will generate 2 images for you. I think I will go with this one, so I will download this one. And now I will head back to ChatGPT, and I will get my second image prompt here. Second image prompt, like this. Return to Flow, I will paste it, and I will hit send. So this is also going to generate our next image for us. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to do this until all the image prompts are done, until we are done with all of them. You understand? So, as usual, another 2 images are done. So I think I will go with this one here. I will download it as well. Then I will get back to ChatGPT. I will copy the third image prompt here. So you have to repeat this until you are done generating all of your scenes. It is that simple. I will paste it, and I will hit send. Just so you know, how long it takes you to finish this depends entirely on the length of your video. So you have to take that into consideration. And of course, if you spend time doing this, you are going to have a very successful YouTube channel in no time. So just take your time and generate everything, just like we are doing now. And if there is any image that you do not really like, you can always regenerate. So let me regenerate this one. I will paste the one I just copied, and I will keep repeating this until all my images are done. Now, once you are done generating all your images and have successfully downloaded them onto your device, what you have to do right now is to get your voiceover. So, with that, I will come back to our script here, and I will copy the script. I will copy some portion of it, because I did not create all of the images. So I will copy up to where I actually generated them, but when you are doing yours, specifically for your own YouTube channel, you have to make sure that you create all the images and then you stitch them together. And the tool we are going to use to get our voiceover is the Google AI Studio text-to-speech tool. However, you can use any text-to-speech AI tool that you like, for example, 11 Labs. But I am going to use the Google text-to-speech tool because it's free, 100% free. So inside the Google Text-to-Speech tool, I will clear the default text they have here, I will paste the script I just copied, and of course, I will preview some of the voices here to see which one I would like to use. I think I will go with this one. Once that is selected, I will click on Run here, and it is going to turn our text into speech. So I simply have to download it onto my computer. Now we are going to stitch everything together. Now open CapCut and import all the images along with their voiceover. So first things first, I have to drag my voiceover onto the timeline. I have to drag it here. Now, I also have to add my images to match the narration. So, like this, I have to make sure I speed it up a bit. Wait, let me zoom in. I can bring it like this, and then I will bring in the next image. So, like this, so that it will match the narration. Bring this here, add this onto it. So basically, I have to make sure that everything aligns with the narration. So you just have to follow this workflow, and the narration will match perfectly. See? So I will bring this a bit like this, and then we come to this side, like that. So once you have perfectly aligned all the images with the voiceover, you simply have to click on Export and export your video in 4K. As easy as that. So that is how to create this type of documentary video or explainer video with free AI tools like Gemini, Grok, ChatGPT, Nano Banana Pro, and so forth. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
Imagine you decide to build the next Coca-Cola. The idea seems straightforward. You create a great-tasting drink, manufacture millions of bottles, put them on supermarket shelves, in restaurants, convenience stores, and vending machines. If each bottle costs less to produce than the price consumers pay, the profits should grow with each additional sale. Sell enough drinks, expand into more countries, and eventually you'll have one of the biggest beverage businesses on Earth. It sounds almost mechanical. More bottles, more customers, more profit.